Welcome. In front of me I have KOSPET Tank T3 Ultra 2, and I'm gonna show you how to change these straps on this watch. So if you want to change these straps on your watch, first you will need to pick it up and flip it around. And on the back of the watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically to release the strap, to take it out, you need to pull on this lever towards the middle of the strap. And once you pull on it, you will be able to take out the strap. It's a bit hard to get to it sometimes. It's a bit of a struggle, but you can do it. I believe in you. Okay. And this mechanism is quite simple. Basically, you have pins on each side of the strap, and this lever, when you pull on it, it retracts the pin inside of the strap, basically pulling it out from the hole on the watch, which lets you to pull out the strap out of the watch. Okay, and here we have our straps and our watch. And let's say you have new straps and you want to put them on. You grab the strap, you take the side opposite of the lever and you insert it into a hole on the watch, like this. Then you pull on the lever to retract the pin, align it with the other hole, release it, and once it clicks in, it will hold. Same for the other side. So put it in, like this. Come on, pull on the strap, or rather lever, my bad. Come here. Like I said, sometimes it's a bit of a struggle. And then release it. And we have the straps reattached. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.